Man, that windstorm blew like it was nothing. It was 100 kilometers per hour here or something. Yeah, it's died down now. To see the trees are like calming down. It's starting to pick up, but not really as much as last time. It reached 100 kilometers per hour today. So this is what the damage has caused. This is what the leaves are on the ground everywhere. Balls from the trees are everywhere. Yeah. It was sick. And I will show you the videos right now. Yeah, that was some storm. Yeah. Second windstorm will be coming soon, so be continued for that. There's a second windstorm coming. I don't know when. Probably in the fall time, where it gets really windy. Yep, that's the end of the windstorm right now. Birds are returning to their nest. Everything. Birds are returning. The squirrels are in their habits again. They were taking shelter during this windstorm. There's a dead branch. That's normal. There's another branch that came down. Pretty nice. There's another branch. Let's look at all these leaves piling up the ground. Oh, there's some big one. That's a big one. Look at that. Tiny little leaves. Another one going into the gully. Probably have more sticks than usual. Nothing really much. It's far away from that tree. It's really big, actually. If you haven't seen these trees in my videos, well, here it is. This thing is huge. It's a huge tree. It's actually one of the strongest trees in Ontario right now. It's not the tallest, but it's one of the strongest. It has survived many, many storms over the past. This thing could survive a hurricane. Category 5 or Category 2. I mean 4. Yeah, that. This thing can survive a... Let me slow down, hold on. This thing can survive an EF3 tornado. This thing is very thick. It can break her legs. I think this thing weighs over 500 tons, maybe, because it's really heavy. It's actually one of the heaviest trees in Pickering. It's also one of the most healthiest. Little bit sticks that will come down in the storm one day. Not that, they'll take care of that. It's pretty healthy. Kind of dead. That's all when it didn't have sunlight. This is my tree, by the way. It looks pretty ugly because it's sick. We haven't cut it down yet because we don't own this house. Kind of. I can shake it because it's weak. There's a dead branch on it, and there's the live part. This is actually a cherry tree, guys. These are actually cherry trees. This is the smallest cherry tree in the co-op that we have. Yeah, it's really nice. I mean, uglier than I thought. Here's the other one. This one's growing cherries. Look at these ones. These are growing cherries. Mine is not. Mine is dead. Mine is just sick and dead. We had like so much trees here, but they all got cut down due to their dying and stuff like that. It has been cut down in 2013. We used to have 5 trees. I mean 4 trees. Right here, that's the biggest one, and right there. And right there too. That was a pine tree. But they all got cut down due to probably because of getting too old, or maybe they just died. This one the pine tree was sick. The things don't have any leaves anymore, which is dead. Here's a squirrel carrying a... Oh, look at how fast! Oh, and I scared it. It was trying to escape. I'm not gonna hurt it. Why squirrels are not like that yet. Anyways, see you later.